Welcome friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius e-learning. Today we will see how to create material in Material Master. Okay, so we need to define material type, material group, purchasing value key. Okay, so all the configuration we will do in Material Master. Okay, now go in SAP, click SPRO, SAP reference IMG, Logistic General, Material Master, basic setting, material types, different attributes of material type. So we have, if want to create a raw material, so we have ROH, or if you want to create finished good, FERT. So we will create raw material. So copy that raw material, copy as, create your own. Is DRM, RM, raw material, DRM. Okay. So see all the settings, external number assignment, check, external purchase order, allowed it. 2 means allowed, external purchase order allowed it. Okay, internal purchase order not allowed it, but you also click on internal purchase order allowed it. Okay, so pricing control, account category reference. Okay, now enter, save. So click on that DRM, raw material, quantity and value updating. So we will do the changes in quantities, values. So we need to define in a system position. Valuation area is nothing but our company code. I take my company code V222, enter. Yes, okay, okay, save. Okay, okay. Now go back. Now we need to create the number ranges for material type. We will create external as well as internal number ranges. So if you maintain the internal number ranges, so system automatically take internal number ranges from that series. And if you creating the external number ranges, so we need to externally define the number for this material that we will create. So first of all, define number ranges for each material type. Create group, create, take X, e-learning, e-learn. Okay, intervals, free intervals. Okay, they have free intervals. Okay, so okay, we will add one entry for external number ranges, intervals, free intervals. I don't know. Think we will keep as this number as the internal number ranges. Okay, so save. So back. Okay, so find your material type here is DRM, so raw material, and assign it to that group that had you had created, that which is in bottoms. Okay, e-learn. Okay, So material type assigned to number ranges. Okay, just save that. Back. Back. So we need to create material group. So in setting for key fields, define material groups. For example, if if we have electric parts, so electric parts group. So if we have some so mechanical parts, so mechanical parts group, they're having bolts material group, example everything. So create new entries, create any group D M D T 0 is a material group. For raw material. Okay, save. So we need to create purchasing value key. So go to management, purchasing, material master, and here is define purchasing value key, new entries. So we create D D P V K any body. So first reminder, second reminder, third reminder. If vendor if you want to send reminder to vendor, so we put days reminder. If after 2 days reminder, after 5 days reminder, after 10 days reminder, acknowledgement required. Also total under delivery means if vendor say if you order 100 piece, and if vendor send us under delivery means if vendor send us 90 pieces, or if vendor send 110 pieces, so we need to define that system to allow that materials. So we need to define 10% allowed, 10% allowed, minimum delivery quantity in if vendor send 50%, so we will allow if we have very urgent material. Save that purchasing value key. So all the configuration we do. So now create a material. So in slash and mm01. So industry type mechanical industry, you choose anything. Material type is our raw material DRM, but I will choose a DRM, raw material DRM. So enter is plant, storage location, and continue. So raw material, raw material, test raw material, test for test. Base units of measure. If you put anything, if you want to put base units in kg, if you want to put in each, so put in each. So material group is DD00. Okay, gross weight. If weight of my part is 100 gram, 1000 gram, weight is 990, actual weight, volume is 2000, weight units is kg, and volume is I think meter cube. Okay, so enter. So maintain purchasing value is DPVK. Okay, purchasing group that I had created, that VPG. Okay, Atopio. So if you click on Atopio, so this material is applicable for automatic PO creation with with PR. Okay, so enter yellow message. So we have no any plan about MRP, so ND no plan. Enter enter. Valuation class put for raw material 3000, Price control is V variable. Also V you can maintain standard price. So standard price is our 5,000 rupees per piece. So enter, save that material. So our material is created with internal number ranges is 160051. So we create a material. Okay. So if you want to change the material slash in mm02, you will change the material if change anything if you want anything. Okay. So slash mm03 is decoder for display that material, only display. Hope you understand. So if you like that video,